Feel me? They putting it back together now. They gonna clean it up, and it'll be good to go. You're tuned in to Donk Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team. You hear me?
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G.
What's good, fam? Another day, another video. What's going on? What's going on, fam? What's going on, man? Another day above ground equals a beautiful day. You hear me? Real talk, man. Hope everybody had a great night. Hope everybody slept well. You feel me? Now it's the top of the morning. Time to get out there and put in that grind, man. Nothing is gonna fall in your lap. Gotta go out there and get it. You hear me? If you above ground, it's a beautiful day to get out there and get it. Boss up, all that. You hear me? But what's good though, fam, man? We starting off real early this morning, man. Right now, currently on the way to go get a cut, man. You feel me? We had to go get me a fresh one. You feel me? Try to get my cut every week. You feel me? Your boy looking rough right now. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's the deal. Right now, I'm on my way to go get a cut. And then afterwards, I'll be headed to the shop and see what's going on down there. See what kind of work being put in. Appreciate y'all that's tuned in. If you're new to the channel, watch the full video. If you like what you see, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell, select all, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss the content we post, because we do post content often. You hear me? Real talk, man. Turn on the post notification. And on top of that, you might want to have the post notifications on because we are doing a Donk giveaway. You feel me? Yeah, he said that. Donk giveaway. We giving away a 1973 two-door hardtop, very solid Donk. It's a very solid starter car. You feel me? Notice I said starter Donk, meaning that whoever wins, they have to build it to their liking. No, we're not giving away a fully built Donk. You feel me? We're not giving away a fully, maybe later on in the future. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? When your boy get rich, you feel me? We'll be able to give away a fully built Donk, but right now we just giving away a solid starter Donk. You feel me? Meaning solid floor, solid trunk pan. You feel me? There's really no rust on the car whatsoever. If there is, there's minimal rust, but nothing really visible like that. It's a very solid car, and we giving it away. You feel me? It's a 73 two-door hardtop, and we giving it away once we hit 200,000 subscribers on YouTube. How do you enter? You basically gotta subscribe to Donk Planet YouTube channel. Click that notification bell, select all. You feel me? Turn on them post notifications. The reason the post notification must be turned on because part of the requirements is watching and commenting on videos on Donk Planet YouTube channel. So your post notifications must be turned on in order to go watch and comment on videos when we release videos. You feel me? Feel me? And also you gotta spread the word and tell everybody you know that like Donks about the Donk Planet Donk giveaway, and tell them to subscribe for their chances to win. You feel me? The more y'all spread the word, the more subscribers we get. You feel me? The quicker we get to 200,000, the quicker one of the DPF, which is the Donk Planet family, will win the Donk giveaway. You feel me? And also, don't forget to check out our Patreon account, Donk Planet Patreon. You feel me? Everybody that subscribed to Donk Planet YouTube channel that really support Donk Planet is considered DPF. You feel me? Donk Planet family. But you could also, if you want to support on another level, you could become a DPF patron. You feel me? There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to our Patreon account, and you can check it out. You feel me? You want to support on another level, you really like what we doing, and you feel me? And you really want to help keep things going with what we doing. You feel me? Check out our Patreon account. You feel me? It's not mandatory. Just check it out. If you can, good. If you can't, I understand. You feel me? But anyway, man, we just pulling up to the barbershop that they'll get this cut. You feel me? See you guys after I get this cut, man. All right, fam, we back. Fresh out the barbershop with the fresh cut, man. Your boy had to go get flayed up, man. You feel me? One thing I definitely must keep is a haircut every week. You hear me? Real talk, man, real talk. But yeah, man, we on our way to the shop now to see what kind of work being put in today. Also, fam, don't forget Donk Day going down July 17th in the Tampa area at the Greater Hillsborough County Fairgrounds, yeah? That's July 17th, a Saturday, man. If you can make it, that would be great. It'd be good to link up with some of the DPF out there, you feel me? All that, man. So hopefully y'all can make it, you feel me? But yeah, fam, we on our way to the shop, man. See you guys when we get there. All right, fam. Just made it to the shop, man. The boys putting in that work. Boys putting in that work. Ooh, thank God the compressor just went off. I ain't got to scream at the top of my lungs. But we going over here, see the progress on the vert that's getting the floors put in. Like they were saying the other day, they cut that piece out and put a new piece, new metal. They already started welding it down. Coming a long way already. I don't know if you guys remember this car from previous videos that we've done, but this car whole floor is completely like ruined. It's completely rusted out, cancered out, whatever you want to call it. I'll see it though, man. It's going down, man. Putting them together. And then over here they did the flat firewall. I ain't gonna lie, man. Poppy from Cuba, boy. Poppy putting in that work, man. Poppy said he been doing this type of work since Cuba. Let's see what else is going on around here. All right, fam, over here, we got that eye candy for you. Let's see that eye candy. I know y'all want to see that eye candy. Check it out. This the box Chevy. Showed y'all this previously. Y'all see it back over here now getting put back together. That candy orange, man. This box Chevy wet. Y'all drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think. That eye candy, man. What's that behind the scenes footage is not done yet. Feel me? They're putting it back together now. Then gonna clean it up, and it'll be good to go. Y'all drop in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's that box Chevy, man. It's that 75. Getting ready for Polk County. Drop no comments. Let me know what y'all think. A lot of eye candy today. We got more eye candy. We still got more. Boom, another more eye candy. 72 on 30 just got painted. Candy orange. Candy orange. Ooh, that thing glowing. On 30s? 32s. 30s or 32s? Come on, let me see. What the size is that? Looking for the size, man. Looking for the size. I think these 30s. I'm tripping. I think these 30s. Yeah, it's part 30. It's 30s. 72 on 30s. Candy orange. Just painted. Moo yeah. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like that candy orange really popular right now, man. A lot of people going with that orange, man. You see the box Chevy orange, this car orange. You feel me? Y'all already seen the interior in here before. On 30s, with the skirt on the squatted. Drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think. It's that eye candy, fam. Like I told y'all before, man, I wouldn't put 30s on my Donk, but I like to see Donks with 30s on them. They definitely head turners. 72 and a 75. Well, I'm a 72 and 75 levels at. You prefer that candy red or you prefer that candy orange? This thing here, boys. This thing healing. This thing here, for sure. Another day in the Donk life, man. Y'all see how they got the dash that match the paint? Got the orange, the needles in there. Oh yes, sir. But yeah, fam, y'all see what's going on, man. That work being put in, man. Them Donks getting put in the game down here, man. Donks, old schools, period, you feel me? Y'all see that eye candy, y'all see that hard work on them floors. This ain't no easy task, man. This ain't no easy task. You gotta commend anybody commend anybody that work on these type of vehicles, man. But yeah, y'all already know, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Until next time, keep it locked right here. Don't Planet Live behind the scenes. You hear me?